Welcome to solverfy.
Runs in the American League for 30 seasons is given over here on the left in the green. Make a frequency distribution with 5 classes, a histogram, a frequency polygon, and an ogive. I've never heard that word said. I looked it up on the internet. I heard 3 different things. Whatever your teacher says, that's how it goes. Okay, so first we got to make 5 classes. So we need to look to see what kind of numbers we have. Looks like 30s, 40s, 50s. The lowest one, 36. So maybe 35 to 60. Let's see. Forgot to get a pen. Okay, 60 minus 35. That would be 25. And then if we divided it by 5, that would be 5 in each class. That seems reasonable. Okay, so first we got to get these numbers in order. So I'm just gonna throw them down over here. 30s to the left, 40s in the middle, and 50s on the right. So I'm going to go down the column here. 40, 53, 44, 43, 54, 39, 37, 54, 54, 48, 43, 47, 57, 52, 47, 48, 56, 56, 52, 50, 40, 46, 43, 44, 51, 36, 42, 49, 40, 40. Okay, remember we had 30 here, so we better count, make sure we got everybody somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yay. Okay, so now we're going to make us a frequency distribution. I'm going to have to squeeze it in. Let's see. Let's just put it right over here. Okay, so we're going to start with 35, and we're going to have 5 numbers in our class. So that doesn't go to 40, that goes to 39. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Oops, sorry, this is not the frequency. This is the number of home runs. Plus, I'm going to run out of room there. Okay, I'm just going to erase this because we got everybody, hopefully. If I did one wrong, be sure and you put it in the right place. Okay, we got home runs. So we got 35 to 39. So the next one will be 40 to 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, I get the hang of it now. Multiples of 5 over here on the left. 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. Okay, then here's frequency. How many are between 35 and 39? 1, 2, 3. How many are between 40 and 44? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 45 and 49, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50 to 54, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 3 left. Okay, that has to add up to 30, 13, 19, 20. Yay, it does. Okay, so that's a frequency distribution with 5 classes. Now we're going to make a histogram. So I already made the charts for us to use here. So 35 to 39, remember we had 3 there. So I'm going to make us a little bar thing here. Okay, and you don't have to color them in, but I can't draw a straight line using these pins, so I have to do it this way. Okay, then 40 to 44, we had 10 in that class. So I'm gonna have to color all the way up to here. Guess I shouldn't have made them quite so wide. Oh well, it'll look neat when I'm done. Okay, there's that. 45 to 49, we have 6. Let me get all the way to the top there. And they don't have to be in different colors. I just happen to have different colors here, so I thought I'd use them. All right, the next one goes to 8. And then the last one to 3 again. Okay, now that's I only have 4 different colors, so I've got to use the red one again. So there's nothing special about that. You can use whatever colors you want, or you can leave them empty or color them all the same. It doesn't matter. All right, that's the histogram. Okay, so notice that on the bottom are the number of home runs, the same classes as we used to make the frequency distribution, and then over here the frequency. Okay, next we're making a frequency polygon. Okay, so I'm going to use the same numbers. So 3, make a dot, 10, 6, 8, and then back to 3 again. Start down here at 0, go to the first one, from the first one to the second one, second to third. Oh, see what I mean about drawing a straight line? Oh, put that one back on there. Okay. Oh, there I did it. And then back down to 0 again. All right, that's the frequency polygon. Okay, to do the third one, I have to find the percents. So remember we had 30 altogether. So to find the percent, you just take the total here or the number here in the frequency column and divide by 30. So that's 0.10, which is 10%. This one's 0.33, which is 33%. This one is twice as much as the first one, so 20%. This one, 8 divided by 30, is 0.266666, so we're going to round that off. Oops, to 27. Oops, the last one didn't, should be 0.20. And then the last one, 3 out of 30 again. And that will give us 0.10. Okay, but when you draw this one, you want a cumulative frequency. Okay, so when you get to the end, it should be at 100%. Yeah, I'm just moving these out of the way here. Okay, so the first one you're going to put 10, and the next one 10 plus 33. Oops, so 10%. 10 plus 33, so 43%. 43 plus 20, 63%. 63 plus 27, 0.27, 90%. And 90 plus 10%, 100%. Okay, and the reason you're doing that is so that you can say things like 63% of the time there was less than 50 home runs. The greatest number, it's really not the number of home runs, it's the greatest number of home runs that year. Okay, so then in this table, I've got percents over here. So remember the first one was 10. And then the next one was 43. So just put it in there somewhere. Next one was 63. Okay, then what happened? All the way up to 90. And then the last one, 100. Okay, so, and this one wow, goes pretty well straight up. There you go. Okay, and you can make it sort of round. So this is this thing. So this is the percent of times that these things happened. Okay, there you go.